IEC should be a politically blind judicial instrument.
Olara Otunu, born the 6th September 1950, is a Ugandan politician, diplomat, and lawyer. He was president of the Uganda People's Congress, (UPC), a political party from 2010 to 2015, and stood as the party's candidate in the 2011 presidential election. Otunu was Uganda's permanent representative to the United Nations from 1980 to 1985 and served as Minister of Foreign Affairs from 1985 to 1986. Later, he was president of the International Peace Academy from 1990 to 1998, and he was an Under-Secretary General of the United Nations and Special Representative for Children and Armed Conflict from 1997 to 2005. Otunu today is inducted into the Nilotic Hall of Fame. For a number of reasons, for a number of achievements, for a number of nominations, for a number of life-changing things, not only in Acholi, not only in Nilotic territories, not only in Uganda, but internationally to the world. Welcome to the Nilotic Hall of Fame, Olara Otunu. Olara Otunu has received several major international awards, including the Distinguished Service Award from the United Nations Association of the United States of America in 2001, German Africa Prize in 2002, the Sydney Peace Prize in 2005, and the Global Award for Outstanding Contribution to Human Rights.
What matters most to them is to know that there are no artificial ceiling
School Association Award presented by its
in
president,
education,
J.H.
in the workplace, socially. And when that ceiling is there, then we create alienation, bitterness, and everything that comes with
advisory roles at an array of civic organizations, including trustee at the Aspen Institute, juror at the MC Nalty Foundation, advisor to Aspen France, Aspen Italia, the Carnegie Endowment for International Peace, the Carnegie Corporation of New York, the Hilton Humanitarian Prize, the International Selection Commission of the Philadelphia Liberty Medal, the International Crisis Group ICG, the Council of Africa Advisors of the World Bank, the Advisory Committee of the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, CIPRI, and founder of the LBL Foundation for Children. Olara Otunu is considered the wisest man to ever exist in the African continent. He hails from Kitgum district, northern Uganda, being part of the team of several wars in northern Uganda, still serving through his advisories by holding several conferences, and now into the Nilotic Hall of Fame. A legend made, a legend shaped, a legendary, well-deserved. Thank you, the wisest man in Africa, and welcome to the Nilotic Hall of Fame.
Other considerations where politics trumps these norms and rights. Those who are involved in the movement